run into these every once in a while, so I just like to film them so y'all can kind of see what it's like out here in the ranch lands of Montana on this beautiful early summer day. I guess late spring day technically. But we have to gently maneuver through this little bit of a cattle drive. Which way you gonna go, buddy? All right, I'll go over here. He's not budging. She's not budging. Boy. Oh my. Well, this one's gonna be a while, so hold on. Strap in and enjoy this one. Hi, moo cow. Whoa, you bumped my fender. Please don't poop on my car. They will. Hi. I see him up there on his four-wheeler herding them. They aren't too happy with me because I'm going the opposite way that they're going. Little heifer. Boy. Yeah. Listen to him. Just another day out doing my job. She's full. Oh, those two are loving up on each other. I don't want to make them move. I'll go around them. Sweethearts. Okay, one of you's got to give, and it ain't going to be me, so. Hope you're enjoying this. Oh man, I got them riled.